Hi everyone, it's Morgan from For the Love of Paper, and I've got Sam here helping me, and I'm going to unbox this month's kits from Kitaholic's Kits. And I actually have all of the kits this month because I wanted everything. So you will see everything this time around. All right. Oh, that's a bit melty. I might have to pop that in the fridge. Alright. Ta-da! Here we go. So, alright, so we've got the main kit, the embellishment kit, mixed media kit, and the pocket page kit. So I'm going to start with the main kit first. Pop those down there. And as you can, sorry, that's the little one making some noise down the bottom here. So as you can see, it is based on the Cocoa Vanilla Studio Collection Boys Rule. And, alright, you're going to help me, Sam?
Yep.
You're going to hold these?
Sure.
And we'll do the papers first?
Sure.
Alright. Yeah, you too. So these are the papers. Have they got the name? Here we go. So this one is entitled some sort of squiggly swirls. Oh, that's awesome. Superstar Awesome Adventure. It's Boy Thing. So this could be cut out as titles or as a background. Really cool, and I really like that too. This one is Starfall, and we just got some little X's on there. Oh, and then beautiful. Looks like falling stars. Perfect. Oh, I don't know. I can't decide this time round. Which one do you like? This one or this one?
That one.
You like the stars? All right. We'll do Sam's favorites this time. Which one do you like better?
That one.
The words?
Yeah.
All right. This one is like some geometric shapes. Blue on blue. And then we've got, oh, like a paint splatter. Which one do you like?
I like the paint splatter.
Paint splatter. This one is some grey with white triangles called Messed Up. Oh, that one's fun. Some paint around the edges. And then this will be a great background piece because you've got some white space in the middle. Which one's your favourite?
That one.
This one?
Yeah.
Alright, this one is called Straight and Narrow. We've got green on green dots. And then some grey and white lines. Which one do you like?
That one.
The green. We're getting some different ones, not always the ones I would pick this time around. This one's called Good Times. This kind of looks like stone. Oh, and then we've got a bit of a starburst happening. Which one do you like?
Starburst.
The starburst, yes, I like that one too. Happy Go Lucky, Blackboard, or Lots of Stars. Which one do you like?
Lots of stars.
You like the stars. So that is the papers in the kit this month. What's next, Sam?
String.
We've got some, oh, someone's just turned my lights off. Hold on. We've got some white cotton with silver flicked through it. And then what's next, Sam?
This.
We've got some lime green tissue paper, which works perfectly with the lime green in the kit. Then we've got a silver paper straw. These are always fun to work with. Okay, next up, we have, oh, these are awesome. So these are puffy stickers, black and white. Oh, how fantastic are those? So these are kind of a holiday, vacation-y type of ones. Oh, I love these. Oh, I want to use them all. And we've got some enamel dots, which the colours match perfectly with the kit. Then we've got the die cut pieces. So there's 45 pieces in there. All sorts of different words and shapes. I'll do that one last. What's the next one? Are these chipboard? I think. Yeah, chipboard pieces. Oh, what a good way to do chipboard pieces rather than the big sheets of paper that you don't want the big too much of. So much easier to store these. Some more fun words and phrases. And then a little goodie bag. Oh, I think these are the exclusive die cuts. I have a feeling they certainly are. All right, let's get this piece here, and I'll put all the. I've got a yellow ombre tag, some journaling spots, labels. What are those things called?
It's like a camera spinner.
Yeah, there's from a camera. What are they called? I can't remember. We've got all these beautiful little word phrases. Oh, I like that one. Love, yum. Oh, we'll be able to use yum. Oh, I like that one. That's fun.
Yeah.
I choose joy. It is what it is. Some more
Today
journaling
I choose joy.
spots. Some more stars. Documented. Another little tab. Oh, heaps of journaling spots. That's awesome.
That's very good.
Hearts. Well, I always like the circle ones.
Yes.
And there we go. So that is all the exclusive die cuts for the main kit. Alright, I'm going to pop that off to the side. Actually, I might leave that out in case I want to use that again. So that's the main kit. So what have we got in this pocket page kit? Whoops. Alright, we've got the, two cut apart sheets. So this one is called Boy Stuff. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love the cut aparts. Hard to decide. And
I like that one.
You like this one? And Fun and Games. Again, almost need two of these because I like both of them. Which one do you like?
I like the wood.
You like the wood? Alright, we'll put it on the wood side. Oh, this is the 6x8 paper pad. So I think we get, is that half a pad? Oh, I like that. So it's all the designs, just smaller. And you even get this one again. Is that the same? It is. Oh, that's awesome. So I can use that side. And I still get all these bits. How fun. Oh, I love that. It's the first time I've had one of this size. Then we've got our sticker sheet, our words and shapes. We've got a set of Puffy Alpha stickers from Pink Fresh Studio. Some more enamel dots. July, which is great because it's my birthday month. So, and Grumpy Bum over there. Oh, these are really thick. Oh, I don't even remember these being so thick before. They're quite solid. These are all the ephemera pieces that come in the kit. So there's actually two for this collection. That's awesome. Love that. And how thick they are, but they're not chipboard, they're just like thick cardstock. And then we get another little bag. Is this the same? Oh no, it's different. Some more exclusive pieces. Let's have a look. Lots more labels. Well, we always use labels for Project Life. They always come in handy. So many labels. Stars. And some little phrases. Oh, these are so fun.
Yeah.
Oh, I love these little.
+1.
Yeah, no, number one.
Oh, number 1.
Happy place. I really like these ones. Oh, look at them all. Oh, I'm going to have so much fun
Yeah.
doing this. Oh, that's really cool.
Ooh.
Oh, look, cool. That's cool. There we go. So that is everything in the, what did I call it? The pocket page kit. So that's that one. You go pop that over on the other chair over there.
Yeah.
Next up we've got the, this is the mixed media kit. So we've got another one of these awesome mini stencils from Katie Mixed Media. think this one might be the little squares by the look of it. It is. Here we go. Do we have
Oh, those are pretty.
go? So little squares. And then these, how awesome are these? These are art crayons by Vicky. So Bhutan? Or Butin? I don't know how you pronounce it. I'm sure someone will correct me. And I have not played with these before, so these will be super exciting to have a go with. And look at those
Whoa.
colours. Aren't they so pretty? Oh, look, there's even instructions.
I can.
They kind of feel like gelatos.
Can I try?
You certainly can. Do you want to know which colour? Blue?
Blue.
That's your favourite. All right, just do a little bit.
Ooh.
What does it feel? Does it feel nice and smooth?
Yeah.
All right, so that's what we've got in our mixed media kit. And then I will do the embellishment kit last but not least. What have we got? Oh, you made a delightful mess down there, mister. Embellishment kit
Very
to
small.
finish off the Cocoa Vanilla Studio collection. We've got these, what are they, clear stickers?
Yeah.
And these in there.
How boy.
How, what?
Oh,
Oh boy, yeah,
Oh,
that's
boy.
cool. And, oh, I haven't had flares in ages. Love some flare badges.
I like those.
Some green puffy stickers from Bella Boulevard. A couple of doilies. These are so intricate and beautiful. Oh my goodness.
Sequins.
Oh, I don't know what to look at first. We've got, what have we got here? We've got some blue and silver washi tape.
Well,
And that's super thin. It's only, let's see, about 2.5, maybe 3 millimeters wide. It's super, super thin. That's fantastic. This amazing bag of sequins. Look at that color mix. Oh,
I
I
can.
love it. I love what she does with the sequins. And last but not least, some wood veneer pieces. What do we got? We've got a frame.
I could do something
You could do something.
with that frame.
You want to do something with the frame? And we've got some arrows, all different kinds of arrows, some circles, some chevrons, and that is it. So that is the final kit this month. I can't wait to get started. In fact, I might make something now if these boys give me 5 seconds. Anyway, thanks for watching, and sorry this was a little bit longer than normal, and we will see you next time. Bye!